Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with several trades of the day, and most of them are coming from my 10-day daily breakdown. So, AEO was one that I took, okay, and this is an earnings play, retailer. I missed out on the ANF yesterday. I know I did my video on it. I wanted to show you it was sort of the tale of two retailers. Nordstrom's JWN was soaring higher, ANF was soaring lower. I kind of missed my entry. I was bound and determined this time to take the AEO though, another, retailer of course, and wrote it down underneath 19. I took some profit along the way, got all the way down to 18 something, and then it popped. So I'm not in this trade anymore. But take a look at some of the other ones that came from that scan. RSI is something that I did. Whoops, let me get the symbol linking going. Properties, symbol linking. Okay, RSI is another one that I ended up taking. Didn't really do too much though. I think I exited for pennies. But then the INVA is something that I'm in right now, and it took a while, but I'm in the INVA right now, and I got into that one around 1791, and now just as I was going to start this video, is popped down to 1756. The HEAR, look at this one here, 1830. I didn't take this one. I missed my entry. I was sort of distracted. Now it is. I mean, this is. I'm not saying this would have been easy, but look at the HEAR. Here's the alert here at 1830, and it got all the way down to 1730 before it had the giant pop up. So I mean, you've just got to be really paying attention. These are not trades in which you take the trade and then wander away for half an hour and hope that it's still working. Okay, these are active trading. These are active traders. Now that's an extreme situation. I have to admit that this pop up that HEAR did. This is an earnings play. So I don't know if people are just saying, hey, too much is like enough is enough on this shorting. But anyway, bottom line is the 10-day daily breakdown. So why do these work? Well, first of all, a lot of them are earnings plays, okay, or they've got some news. But of course, the market is going to help. I mean, look, the market is just. This is the 15 minutes before the market opened, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 2 hours of straight down before that. Before we had that green candle. So the market's rallying a little bit, but you would think though that shorting opportunities would present themselves, and so stocks that are making new 10-day lows. And somebody asked me, by the way, is this a 10-day daily? Is it a simple? Is it a moving average? No. It's just taking a look at the last 10 days. And so for it to show up here, among some other filters that I've got, it's got to be at the low, at least at the lowest price over the last 10 days for it to show up here. Typically, it's going to be even way below that, but that is the filter that I've got, just to give you an idea. Summary. So the position in the 10-day range. So when I put 0 here, that means it's got to be at least at the lowest price over the last 10 days. Okay, that's at least. And the flip side of it, of course, if I'm looking for 10-day daily breakouts, I would put 100 here, meaning that has to be at least at the high of the 10-day range. Okay, so great day. Great day, lots of action. I can't wait back into the room, so I'm going to shut this down right now. Our promo is still on for 20% off, so take advantage of it. That'll last till Monday, next Monday at 10:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So I will open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time in the morning, of course. Hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.